Today we're going to be talking about the Wacom One versus the Intuos Pro. And what we have right here is the Intuos Pro. I do not have a Wacom One, and we're going to be talking about the differences. This isn't really going to be a technical deep dive into it. This is just going to be my recommendation between the Wacom One and the Intuos Pro. So for starters, the Wacom One and the Intuos Pro are two different things. The Wacom One is a pen display. It projects the picture onto a display and you draw directly on the display, and that's about $250. It's very confusing. The one by Wacom is the smaller beginner tablet for like 60 bucks. That's the one by Wacom. The Wacom One is a great tablet. If you're really chomping at the bit to digitally draw on a display, definitely get that. If you can wait a little longer to get a Cintiq, I would get the Intuos Pro Medium. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a drawing tablet. This is about $350. You draw on the tablet and you look at the screen, whereas with the Wacom One, you'll be drawing on what you're looking at. So my recommendation, I feel the Intuos Pro is a great choice. It is a great tablet, and I think it'll do you well. You'll keep it for years. What I would tell my friends, if they're like, oh, I really want to get a display, I would say if you want to get it, get it. It seems very cool. For me, I would go with the Intuos Pro first because you can travel with this very easily. It fits in a backpack. It's about the size of your laptop. It might be even a little bit smaller. So it fits in your laptop bag super easily. It has the touch display that you can do. The pen is awesome. And I would just save up to get a display because if I'm traveling a lot and I want to draw while I'm traveling, I wouldn't take the display on flights because the luggage isn't treated well. Even if you put yourself in the bin overhead, you know, people are messing around with things. I feel it is a step above this in the sense that I think as artists, we're all trying to get to the pen display because there is the luxury of drawing what you're looking at. Because when you're drawing like this, there's a bit of a learning curve, learning how to draw and look at the screen in front of you. That's kind of a learning curve. It was a bit hard for me, so I just saved up and went and I just got a Cintiq. Drawing on the Wacom Intuos was a little bit rough for me. If you want to get the Wacom One, get that. I think it's about 16 inches. Display size itself is about 13.3. That's going to be easy to carry around. You'll definitely want to get a screen protector for that because if you're putting that in your laptop bag or in your backpack, it's going to get scratched up. So definitely invest in a carrying case for that to keep it nice and crisp. The cool thing about the Wacom One is that you can plug it into your laptop, Mac, or PC. The other thing as well is on some Android phones, you can plug it into the Android phone. You can have your Android phone here and you can draw on a bigger screen. So that's kind of cool. I'm not sure if you can do that with the Apple iPhones, but I will put it on the screen here, whether you can or not. Hopefully you can. But I think that's a cool feature. Speaking of Intuos Pro Mediums, we're still having a contest. I'm giving away 2 Intuos Pro Mediums. The rules to the contest will be in the link up in the corner there to the video that explains that. Hopefully you'll win one of the Intuos Pro Mediums that I'm giving away.